Hi! What's up? For today's video, ayan, naghanap na kami ng maparkingan namin. Saan pa kami pupunta? Anyway, we're in the garage parking lot. And there's Mami Aini nyo. Ayan, kumukuha si Mami Aini. Hindi pwedeng magkuha ng video para sa mga anak ko. It's a memorable for me all the time, every day. It's a gift of life from God and blessings. But anyway, andito kami sa downtown ng San Antonio. Let's explore because Bella have a field trip December 3. So she's asking to her dad if we could go to the Alamo so that we know the history. She know the history because she has a project. So let's explore. And ito si Alex nagkamali magbukas ng door. Ayan, umakit na kami. So this is yung River Walk Center. Ito yung mall na tinatawag nila. Malaki siya dito. So, maraming choices kung saan ka din kakain. Kung gusto mo ba mag-stop by, maglaro. There's a lot of shopping area. So, ayan yung tatlo ko. Si Alex, saka si Seth, at saka si Christian. Ayan, ang lalaki ng mga anak ko. Kasing tangkad na ng daddy nila. Si Bella naman nasa akin lagi. Sa gilid ko talaga yan. She always with me, beside me. Ayan, wala ako kasi dumating yung anak ko. Na-voice over lang naman ako. Ayan si Bella, pinapakita ko sa kanya, tinuturo ko sa kanya. Mga rides, ayan, yung mga store na gusto niya. Gusto niya mag-stop by para magpa-picture, pero nagkuha nga ako ng video. Then, ayun malalaki yung mga ornaments. Simple lang yung nila, yung decoration nila. Unlike sa ibang mga mall, I bet is very pretty. But especially in the Philippines, and I know that. Ayun, maraming stores. So, it's a quick video. Ayan, nakapag-shopping na pala si Bella.
Bella, see you with me.
So, nag-ikot kami para hanapin sila daddy. Nagpunta pala siya sa Starbucks. So, puntahan namin. Tara guys,
Bella, we're here for the Alamo. We're not here for shopping, okay? Say hi. But I remember it's in the...
Yung store na yan,
Padre
si
Island.
Bella, sugar.
It's sugar?
It's a sugar. Or it's a sweet. Alam niyo naman, mga bata, mahilig sa sweet. Ayan, napapicture siya. Not sure kung nakuha na ko siya ng picture. Kasi mostly talaga is a video. Then click the white button for pictures. Nagantay kami ng kape namin kasi nag-order sila ng kape. Pagkatapos pala dito guys, lumabas kami sa Starbucks kasi nga nakita ulit namin yung lalaki na nagkakanta ng praise and worship. Then we give a coin just to appreciate. So it's a worship song that he did. It's a piano. So ito, ayun siya. Ayan si Alex bumalik na. So we asked if we do have a cash. So no one is having a cash in our packet. So I have only $1. So I give the $1 and a coin. Then this guy is just 20 seconds. I can't believe it. He said it's a free, but he's asking money. So we don't have cash, but he said that he does have a cash app, so daddy gave up $5 for him. So we feel bad to the other guy, so daddy withdraw some cash in the ATM machine to give more to the guy that playing a song, a worship song to everyone. Then ayun na nga, naglalakad kami. So Because we try to find a restaurant. Then after
There's mighty
we
voice.
ate, but anyway, mamaya na yan. So lakad-lakad muna kami. So, hinanap muna namin yung restaurant na
And they thought my shirt was backwards.
Okay, guys, samahan niyo kami.
They thought my shirt was backwards. Are we go down? Are you hungry? Fat Tuesday.
malaki yung place, kaya minsan maliga ka kung saan yun talaga. But anyway, every time na pupunta kami dito lang talaga sa area na to. So, hindi talaga namin na-explore ang Riverwalk kasi super laki niya. So, kung saan lang yung gusto namin puntahan, especially dito sa mga ride boats. So, then, merong Christmas tree. So, nag-stop by muna kami dyan at kumuha ng pictures. So, let's go, guys!
I want a picture of the Christmas tree. Can we take a picture as a family? Maybe we can ask somebody. We're going to take a picture. Up. Don't drop your phone. I am the new stuff from the. That's nice. Wow. Is that special?
Look at this boat ride. I think they did a special
I don't know.
lunch
How
or
much kaya?
dinner. Maybe it's a anniversary, birthday. It's cool because I didn't know about that.
Okay, one.
So,
Two,
ayan
three.
si Bella, nagpa-picture na sa River Center.
Lagi ko sa Christmas dala.
Ayan. Siyempre si Mami sasama. Pinahawak ni Mami Anis ang phone niya kay Christian.
Cool.
Picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Click. But anyway, hindi naman lahat nakukunan
Maybe you
natin
need to
ng
request
picture.
that?
Siyempre,
That's a nice one.
may mga skip yan. Maraming video clip na pinag-dugtong na lang. Diba? Tara guys, let's explore or let's have some lunch.
We're going to eat
Let's grab some lunch before we go to the Alamo History.
Where are we going with Luke? On your phone screen? Oh my goodness, the table. Run away. Am I up there? Going outside.
Pinakita ko lang sa inyo kung ano ang Riverwalk Center. Siyempre, madalas na magdala-gala. Yung iba, hindi alam ang Riverwalk dito sa San Antonio. So, especially sa Pilipinas, sa pamilya ko, para makita naman nila. So, ayun guys, andito na kami sa restaurant na pupuntahan namin sa Yard House. So, diba? Umakit kami, then si Daddy tsaka si Bella nag-elevator naman sila. So, nasa kami tok-tok. So, makita namin ang mga boat. So, on the other side, ayan, si Mami Aimee, bulag na, hindi makakita. Kaya kailangan ng may glasses. Matanda na. Siyempre, nagkakaedad na tayo, no? Ayan, guys. O, dito na muna. Kain muna tayo o mag-order ng food. You guys have a blessed day and have a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
I know, right? That's okay.
Yeah? Where?
Mom, this is starting. Mom, this is starting.
I'm sure we got someone.
It's starting to cut around. You guys gonna eat my calamari. Stand in there. Stand.
Kami naman ni Bella is napunta kami sa bathroom, so yung calamari just arrived, then they're waiting for us pala kasi we thought that when we come back the calamari is out, but it's not. Of course, nagtira sila sa amin ni Bella. Ayan guys, so ang ganda, nasa baba sila, kami nasa taas. I think nasa kami, second floor, third floor, or fourth floor. So, But anyway, ayan yung calamari appetizers na in-order namin. Then maya-maya, yung pagkain namin ay ilapag na nila. So, yan. Si Alex at saka si Bella.
Mine is beautiful. Yours is
Ang sarap ng pagkain.
I told you.
And si Alex nag-order ng tuna salad. And there's our food. And mine is a jambalaya. I think I got jambalaya. It's pretty good. It's really, really good, guys. Ayan, pinakita ko pa. Tara! Kain tayo! Pero ang hindi nakaalam, syempre Pilipina ako, no? Saksak sinagol yung ano ko, pagsasalita. May Tagalog, may Bisaya, then English. Hirap mag-English, guys. Tagalog na lang tayo or Bisaya. Una si Bella, nagkaon na daw siya. Oo nga, no? Bakit ako nagtagalog kanina? Bisaya naman. Char. Kain na tayo. Kaon na ta, guys. Daghang siya sa hog. Lami kayo pagkaon na ako. Nga na ginamahal man gid karon. Dili na siguro muna og ang mga presyo karon, no? Kay mahal na man gid. So, humanamig kaon. Dili man gid tanan natong medyohan, no? So, kuan lang jud. Ginagmay ba tag 7 seconds, 5 seconds, dugtong-dugtong na lang. Ayan, naglalakad na kami, papunta na kami sa alam mo, history kasi si Bella may project nga para malaman namin kung unsa man jud ang historical sa
We're going back to the
Alam.
guy.
padulong na mi dito mo nang kuyugi mi ba.
Yes.
Kuyuga mi guys. Bitaw magbisaya na lang to kay listen mo po ng Tagalog Yan, nanglakaw na mi. Murag mo hapit mi ani sa lalaki nga nagkanta og worship song. Mauning nga time nagihatagan og 20. Kadako, no? Yan. 20 niya naghatag pa mi og kuan kanang bracelet purses. Ayan. So, kani siya nga lalaki, diri na siya perminti. Murag weekend na siya maaman, ha? Or, we don't know, kasi talagsara mo kumaman sa Riverwalk. Kung needed lang dyan, magkuhan, mag-explore, sa madto, kung dili mag-hike, kita. So, nag-stop na kami para mag-tanaw sa iya o mamili. O, diba, amazing? Kasi nga, we have to share gospels to God. And we have to listen every day. And His presence is love and failing love. Thank you, Lord.
Jesus said, if you're ashamed of the Father, I'll be ashamed of you. And the good thing about it, he says, if you're unshamed, when it comes to my Father in heaven, then I'll be unashamed of you. So I think as believers, we should be bold. Tell Jesus we love him. How great is our God. Say with me, how great is our God. Father, sing how great, how great is our God. How great is my Father. Light in the darkness, amen. That is who you are.
Huh? Yeah, she does, in December 3. And they're gonna take a picture in here probably.
Ayan na, nandito na kami sa Alamo. Musulod na mi. Actually, it's a free entrance. So you have to get a ticket. Pero free naman ang musulod ani. Siyempre no, kaya na may project si Bella. Nag-adto mi sa sulod para magkuan og kanang iPad man siguro to kung unsa ang
Evening, look at this tree. It's
ang
really
nahitabo kani adto. Ayan si Bella naa siya dala nga iPad kumbaga para makita naa siya tukon picturean niya tapos para makita niya unsa ang nahitabo kani adto. It starts in 1836 or 1712 years ago, 1,000 years ago. Or no, 100 years ago, I believe. Or 1,000 years ago. Grabe no, amazing. Ayan, tapos na kami kasi hindi lahat na kinuha ng video kasi nga nasa loob kami. So, nasa labas na kami. Alam na ni Bella ang nangyari sa kapanahunan dito sa alam mo. Kasi may project siya kaya kailangan namin gawin. Pagka uwi namin, so ginawa namin yung AC niya. Yung ano na yan, tubig yan noon. Kasi nandito kami, maliit pa si Christian tsaka si Alex. Pero malaking pagbabago. After 12 years, nandito na kami. Yan, naglakad kami. So, I think pauwi na kami dito. Saan pa ba kami napupunta? Pero syempre, papunta kami sa sasakyan na namin.
Kapo namin ako. I just like the...
Yeah, palakad na kami papunta sa aming sasakyan. So, syempre, it takes a lot of walk. And it's a great day. Hindi masyado malamig. Pero syempre,
Back
kailangan
then,
mo
it's
naman.
really nice.
Kailangan mo mag-wear
That's a
ng
water
light
with
jacket.
fish. There you go.
Pagkatapos
Inside,
ng
inside.
historical
Sabi niya,
namin, ayan, nagsulod namin sa gift shop. Madaming mapagpipilian. Take note, ang mamahal, no? Pero, pumili lang kami as a souvenir kung ano ang mabili namin. So, syempre, bago ka pumasok pala dito, kukunan kanila ng picture. Nasa sa'yo yun kung gusto mo bibili ng picture ng pinili. Pero syempre, it's been a long time.
Pero iba din yung
Nagbili na din kami ng picture namin as a family kasi si Bella andyan na.
That's the island mo. This is 49.
Ayan ang mamahal na mga gamit pero hindi kami bumili din. Pinakita ko lang. Ikot-ikot.
That is for me and you. Yeah, so we can match.
That's what this is. How much? I know, right? It's different. This one is okay. Alam mo, ano. How much? Oh my, gulay. Oh. Oh, no. Oh my God, how much is that? They're already older.
Why this?
They're thin.
These are amazing.
How much? Expensive there.
Ayan guys, thank you for watching yung premiere natin. Patapos na. Yung tubig na bitbit namin is $3.99. Ang mahal. Ay nako. Ang liit pa. Sabi nga, rain water daw. Pero sige na lang. Si daddy man ang nagpalit. So okay ra. Ayan. Nagpunta namin sa plaza para
This is the plaza,
manguli namin. Thank you guys for watching. And you guys have a blessed day. And happy holidays to you all. And God bless us all. Everything is possible. The one who believes.
It's okay, honey. It will become. Because December.
Nasa elevator na kami paakyat. Kasi nasa third floor ata yung sasakyan namin. Kasi nakapark kami sa River Walk Center.